calling. Can I help you?
Hello, I'd like to book two tickets for Lovely Girl Play. Day 20 November, the 4:30 showing.
Adults or children?
Two adults.
What will you like roll?
Yes, how much the brown roll?
That will be 100,000 Vietnam đồng.
Oh, expensive. Metal roll?
That will be 80,000 Vietnam đồng.
Yes, I buy two metal roll.
Okay, that's your adult on 20 November at 4:30 p.m. That's 160,000 Vietnam đồng. What are your credit card number?
120031212.
And for the expiry date?
3011.
You will go to grab tickets before.
Yes.
Thank you. See you again when you grab tickets.
Thank you. See you again.